guys, as more and more content creators continue to get demonetized, deplatformed, shadow banned, maybe they get their accounts even unpublished or deleted, people are starting to look for alternatives, and this idea of anti-censorship is really starting to go even more mainstream as people are becoming more aware of the problem. And this is where I think there's a lot of opportunity for blockchain to come through and offer that kind of censorship-free platform for people. And so that's something I'm really passionate about. That's something I'm always looking for, is what platforms do I want to be involved in where I want to be posting my content. And there's a new platform that I'm going to be showing you guys today that I am really excited to check out. It's called Float, and it's all about helping content creators that have been demonetized, that are really looking to have another place to share their voice with their followers. And so I'm really excited. We're going to dig into it today. There's a lot of really cool features. I'm actually going to share my screen with you here in just a second and create my account. So we'll walk through how to do that. I'll do my first post on Float, and we'll even toggle through each of the different aspects so you can see it. I'm also really excited to check out this app because two of the founders, Aaron and Kingsley, are people that I have been getting to know online, and I'm actually going to meet in person for the first time in a few weeks in Philadelphia at Anarchadelphia. So let's go ahead. I'm going to jump to my screen and let's hop right into it. All right, let's do this, guys. So we're on float.app, and I'm going to go ahead and create an account, and we're just going to walk through this whole site just to look at all the different features and benefits that they have. So kind of first impressions, I can see that the navigation is really clean and clear and easy to understand. So right at the top, we've got to join and log in. We are going to join. So it's pretty simple and quick. You just need to enter your email, create a username, password, and accept their privacy policy. Awesome. And so once we've done that, it's pretty cool. It shows you the trending tags that are being used and suggests some people that you might want to follow. So I definitely see a lot of names I recognize, so I'll be going through and following all of those people. So let's go ahead and get started. It looks like this is where you would post. Let's see, there's a public option. I imagine since that's a drop down, maybe there'll be other options. You can click photos. I imagine that you could put a YouTube link or a link to your website or blog post or something if you had that there. So we'll come back to that in a second. Like I said, we're going to do my very first post together here when we're walking through. It looks like you can also click post up here, and then there is a video button, which I would imagine is to start a live stream. So if we click on this image here, it probably would help if I started by actually adding a photo of myself. Most people don't trust an account with just a gray head on it. But this is cool because you actually have a wallet, a Bitcoin wallet here on the platform, which makes it really easy to tip content creators or to transfer money between people. And so right now I don't have any kind of balance or any kind of transaction history since I literally just joined 2 seconds ago. But it's cool to see that that is where you would go. So if I click on the little kind of wheel icon, it takes me to my settings, and oh, you can link your Twitter. That is awesome. So you can have different subscriptions, you can block users, which is good. Can add a little bio about yourself. Oh yeah, a header, your little avatar. You can make your account private. Oh, this is so cool. There's so many different things. And so you can even set, kind of like Patreon, it looks like you can set up some support so that you can have like a monthly amount that people can subscribe to. You can probably have different settings. Well, to start, let's go ahead and upload a picture so I don't just look like some sort of ghost user. Okay, so I've linked my Twitter. I've put in a little bit more information about myself. I just linked my YouTube channel here on the website, and have a header and an avatar. So let's go ahead and save this. And again, I might come back and put some more in, but at least for now, we kind of got a base. So let's see what happens when we go to my page. Oh, look at that. So fancy. Okay, one thing that I like now that we're actually on my profile is replies, non-replies, media, images, video, audio, paid. Pretty awesome that it's just so easy to toggle. So it looks like I've got a little notification up here. Let's see what that is about. Aha, so let's follow Float as the first thing I do here. So here we can actually see what a real page would look like that has some content on it. So it's got their website, shows their followers and following, a link to their site for the FAQ, how to contact them. So this is a really great kind of about me section, and I like that it allows you to put links in, unlike Instagram where you can only link in one spot. This is cool. Okay, so there it takes you to the private message. If you click messages, you can click support if you want to subscribe to them. I like that there's a repost function, as you can see, kind of like retweeting. I like that it's a shareable platform, because platforms that are more shareable, I think, are more kind of community driven. It's easier to get to know other people when you can easily share their content and see what your friends are sharing as well. So I really like that they have that feature. If we click on the envelope tab up here, that would take us to messages, which again, they do have an encryption messaging system, which is great. But since we don't have any messages yet, let's go ahead and move on to actually creating my first post on Float. So I'm just gonna click this post button up here. So I like that there's an image option. So I might just post a picture of myself and kind of say like, hey guys, excited to be here, something like that. So let's throw that together real quick. Okay, so I've got a little bit typed up, just kind of a little, hey, this is my first post, let me introduce myself. Since it is kind of an introductory post, I do have a vlog up on my YouTube channel where I talk just about kind of my story, how I got involved in crypto, why I'm involved in crypto, so link to that in case anyone wants to check that out. And so I'm gonna go ahead and click post and let's see what happens. Aha! There we go. There's my face and some words. That is a thing that we just did together. Well, I hope that you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions at all on using Float, just leave them in the comments below. And if I can't help you, I'll reach out to the Float team and make sure that someone does. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you on Float.